Okay, this problem is asking for a solution, and it's a bit of a trickier problem. To show the steps, you'd have to do a few different things. You do have the advantage of multiple choice here, which means you could plug these values in for n and check to see which one will work. Okay, so that is a choice to find your answer. You could plug in each value into your calculator very carefully, looking at negative signs or minus signs, making sure you're putting in the right one. But the problem is that it gives us no solution as a choice, so we're really going to have to probably solve this the long way. So I'm going to slide this down a little bit, and we can go from there. So if I have 0.5n plus 2.8 minus 0.4n equals 6.2n minus 0.1n. Okay, there's a few different things that I want to have happen here. I definitely want to simplify anything I can on each side. So if I look over here, I have two sets of n's. And so I'm going to combine those since they're on the same side. I have 0.5 minus 0.4. If I have 0.5 minus 0.4, I get 0.1n. Okay, I still have plus 2.8 over here. This side of my equation, this is not supposed to be an n. I'm sorry, my bad. It should be 6.2 minus 0.1n. Now, if I still want to undo what's happening to n, I'm going to have to get both ends on the same side. It's usually easier to move the smaller amount of n's. So I'm going to add 0.1n, because it's negative, it would be smaller, so I'm going to move plus 0.1n on both sides here. Sorry, I didn't drop my anchor. There we go. So this becomes 0. That was our point to get rid of it on that side. And if I add these two up, I end up with 0.2n. So, and then I still have plus 2.8 over here and 6.2 over here. Now, if I want to get n alone, I have to get rid of both of these things. I have to get rid of the 2.8 first, so I minus 2.8 from both sides. And if you take 6.2 minus 2.8, you end up with 3.4 equals 0.2n. So to get rid of that 0.2, we would have to, we would have to divide by 0.2, which is actually going to make our answer larger, so don't be confused by that. But if we take 3.4 divided by 0.2, you end up with 17. So n equals 17 for your final answer. So D, it looks like, is the correct answer.